Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to reset a course challenge on Khan Academy using your phone, iOS or Android device. So, if you haven't already downloaded the Khan Academy app, you can simply download it from App Store for iOS and Play Store for Android. Once you are inside the app, you can simply go on the Explore tab and you can browse different subjects over here, as you can see. Now pick a subject you were working on, any subject that you want. I will choose math for now and scroll down the unit where you had the challenge course. Suppose I will choose a grade. For now I will simply choose 8th grade and I will scroll down to see the challenge score or course challenge. Tap on it if you have already completed it. As you can see at the top, you will get the course challenge and the mystery points, mastery points. You can simply complete your tasks over again and you can try again by simply clicking on one of these and simply doing it again. Just tap that and challenge will restart from the beginning, and that's it. You have now reset your course challenge on Khan Academy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to have next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.